Welcome to Issue Finder, the best open source issue locator for busy devs. If you're a developer and you're trying to get started on an open source project, but you don't have a lot of time, we thought that it would be good if we can curate some of the best and most relevant open source projects to work on. For this, we built Issue Finder. How does it work? You have labels and languages. Let's choose a language. Let's say we want to look for good open source projects that have issues relating to JavaScript. Let's go with documentation as a good first issue. This is great for persons that maybe don't have as much experience coding, and they still want to use their skill set to make meaningful contributions. Let's click on Find Issues. There we go. Populated are results of great issues from real live repositories that are relevant, and hopefully we can get started writing some open source as soon as possible. Let's see which one of these look interesting. Sure, ongoing one-off campaigns, refactor. Let's try this one, refactor self-hosted documentation section. Great. We redirected to Chatwood's GitHub repository, and we can see that the person who posted this last commented on August 2nd. And also, there's no one else currently working on this issue. As for my contribution to this project, I was responsible for the overall interface and user experience. In order to do this, I first sketched out what I thought in my mind would be the most ideal and easy to use layout for Issue Finder. A few labels on the side and a button, more or less, to get started. Also a search bar in case you wanted to search through different labels, and release all of the results below. After some feedback with the team, we decided that we maybe should get rid of the search bar. There we have Issue Finder version 2, minus that pesky search bar. We still have labels on the side, a nice button in the middle to find your first issue, and our results are displayed below. And it's more or less what we ended up with in the end. We have our drop-down list on the sides, we have a button in the middle to find the issues, and our results are displayed below. In order to get an MVP of Issue Finder up and running, I used Tailwind CSS along with Material Tailwind for React, as this project is completed in React, and some shell language scripting. Material Tailwind gives a lot of out-of-the-box functionality so that you quickly have a working model to get into the hands of your client. I sure hope that you've enjoyed this introduction, and please feel free to use it for yourself, where you can also contribute to this wonderful project and make it the best issue locator possible on the net. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.